take away from each other. And I feel like, you know, when we look back at things that we've been through, most of you act like you want me to erase things that has happened. They have happened to me. I am going to talk about it. I have experience in what happened to me. So that's what I'm going to talk about. Just like I said in my other life previously, when I said, most of you acting like, oh, if somebody come and approach me and say, oh, I want to do a documentary on your life. Because you probably didn't have like a good part in my life, doesn't mean that, oh, I'm enough about to talk about it. I am going to talk about the good, the bad, and the indifference. I could have do a song and I could have basically come and lie to you guys and tell you, oh, I'm looking back on my past and it is so good, it's so beautiful, oh, I'm so successful, I have so much, you know, things in life, and I made so much money, and all of that. I could have come and do a song and pretend. I did not do that because my life is not perfect. My life is not perfect. Most of you may feel like, oh, but you're a celebrity and you're this and you're that. Yes, I am a celebrity, but I also happen to be human. And these things that I'm talking about in the song is things that happen to me. Nothing in it is made up. Nothing in it is not, oh, no make-believe shit. Because like I said, I could have come sell us a make-believe shit. I said 2085, and I look back on some things and I did have this, I did have that, I did buy house, I did this, I did buy. But that's not the reality of what happened in my life. So I understand that it may probably offend people or some of you, but at the end of the day, you know, it's my life, it's my past, it's things that has happened to me, you know. And unfortunately, I'm not perfect. I'm human, and the things in the songs are real, and those are the things that I've been through, and those are the things that has happened to me. So I don't want to just stop on one line under the song and then listen to the song to its entirety. There's also a part in the song where say, the all of the moon and the brighter it shine. I'm glad I never waste my time. I'm speaking to my younger self as an older woman, saying I'm glad I never waste my time, because most of you depend on social media and don't waste time on the plan a future. So when you're reaching at the future, won't ever look back and say, when you don't really understand the song, you know, I don't think you sit down and really meds the lyrics, meds the idea behind it. Thank you, Spice QOD. You know me I say, it's like me I say, at the all of the moon, at the brighter it shine. Me glad say me never waste my time. So it's like me in the future, I look back on the past. Somebody say you can talk about it because it's your business. Absolutely. It is my business. Somebody say, true Spice, me listen to every word. So most of you, as usual, will only run with the part where, oh, I mix up on the yap. But pay attention to this song and listen cleanly to the words. I time traveled into the future, and I'm talking back to my younger self, which is why I sound like a granny, which is why I sound like an older person. That's my favorite line. Oh my God, you're beautiful. Thank you so much. So it might be mixed up for a lot of you, but it's my life. It's my reality. It's my truth. I'm not driving. What are you talking about? I'm not driving. I'm not driving. You say careful how I'm driving. I'm not driving. You look good as a granny. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. So I just want to check the reality of the song. 2085 T is the new song. It's out. And don't get distracted with the noise. I'm in a spiritual warfare right now. But I got me worship. It's just, you know, I was going to post a screenshot today when somebody sent me a text thinking so them I text somebody. And them text me and them never have my number. Or them get my number for text me by mistake. That's because I pray to a God. I don't know idiot me pray to. You know, understand what going on in a spiritual battle and in a spiritual warfare, yeah. The lady texts me and call me the enemy name. Me said the lady text me and call me the enemy name. She think of the enemy she a text. And I text me and I say, me have something to tell about Spice. And I me she a text. When the woman texts me, you know what me do? Me laugh and me say, God, you're not easy, you know. God, you're not easy, you know. Hey, me say, you see when my God, when me worship, and my God, when me pray to God. What if people have only for God, you know? But I want God me know about when loyal and faithful to me, you know. Anytime you hear me pray, I'm going to look for the screenshot and post it, you know. I look for it and post it because I want to see for myself. Because sometimes I talk, I think me crazy. When I see me pray to my God, and God ready for reveal, the reveal might come rough and rocky. But God no business about that. God a reveal in any way, shape, or form. Me say God make the woman text me and call me the enemy name. Think of the enemy she a text and say. Me have something to tell about Spice. They are so God good. God send the people them right under me doorpost. Come show me what I go on. Say, see it here, this I go on, right here, so. Somebody say, yes, you have to post it on the live. Me going to post it right now, me going to look for it. But me I try to show you, say, God is a wonderful miracle working God. When him a play and come for chat, him play and come for chat. Right now, me have some video on my phone where people are come out from all boat. Just a talk, just a reveal. Me go through a journey of 3 years where God says silent and me never understand it. And me I say, God, what you mean? What you mean by me to be quiet? The man says silence. Jesus Christ, what pull the door and run out of the carrier? Oh, glory to God. Then Jesus could have good so. The man says silence. You talk too much. And watch God work. Cha-cha. We don't have much longer we do, you know. Me not have much longer we do no because me already say God want me. Me say the man say keep by your mouth and give me time and watch me work. Me say me have a video on my phone. Me have some video and be people just send video and be people just talk and the truth just reveal. I said the truth just reveal. Me don't know if we not keep up with what go on, you know. But I be people just start come out and see the truth and the reality. You see if me did come out same time when the attack they upon me, you know who to believe. You know that confused. But me give it time. So you could have see with the phone yourself. God says silence! And someone who need to practice that. Sometimes when I go through something, I just attack. I don't never know so I talk to the enemy. You do not even know so the enemy they're right underneath on the nose. Sometimes we have to learn to keep our mouth. And I talk to me, I tell you. So sometimes me just chat, me talk too much. Me say, God, hey, or if I reach, I'm run out of the car. You can drive a little faster for me, sir, please. Me have to run out of the car and go run around my house. Me say, God silent me for 3 years and me never understand it. Me say the man say, quiet, silence. And leave this to me. And 3 years after, here we are. Now that everybody can see for themselves. Say, all of this is a scam. All of this is fake. All of this is lie. People are come from under the table. Them are come from under the store. Them are come from under yes. Them are come from all both. And just attack. What? Before them were afraid because them did believe. Them did believe. Them never know say it's a scam. Them never know say it's a plot and it's a scheme. Me said about the Bible, did already tell me say me wrestle not against flesh. The Bible tell me say me wrestle not against flesh. But then for each one, I can't come out of that carrier because I don't want the driver to take me crazy. Me say, which video Spice Official that starts? Which video, auntie? Which video? Big up my best to them where they behind me through thick and thin. No found out just I see the truth now when the truth are revealed now. But you have some bestie who never believe the lie from morning. You have some bestie who never believe the lies them from morning. Someone who did believe. Because I saw on stay on the gullible and take anything and run with it. But me I tell you say the plot just come right back. Come drop on my foot. Me not have the next phone. Oh, the phone, the home. I'm on my way I go home now. I almost reach home. Somebody say we believe you from a long time. God is good. Me say, when the attack come upon me, then I'm house and me just pray. And I go up and fasting. And when I come out of the fasting, God said I must be quiet. And I never understand why. The man said just silence. And when me under the silence, me never know I could have silence. So you can't know me a girl. Me don't know if I set this up. Me don't know what them said for me. And somebody talk about me, me have to come talk. I saw me stay. I don't like people tell a lie for me. I don't like people all not come talk. But oh, this a big artist. I don't give a fuck. Me little. Me small. Me small. I only for hungry and sufferation. Me be here for reach which part me reach. I work for this. Me never fuck for reach which part me there. So one time somebody come and come tear down when me walk my hard blood, sweat and tear for. You feel like say, oh, me a celebrity, me a human being. Me a human being. So you don't come talk about this big artist. Me not big. Me small. And I say, God, I tell me, be quiet. And I say, me not understand. I say, me ignorant. Me just watch them a slander me and I tell lie and me and I do all kind of things. And the man says, silence. And I never understand it. And 3 years after, me come for giving a revelation about Jesus. Me say 3 years after, you're so long. Because remember, I know, say no found I go through the trial and tribulation or not understand it. So, me not go keep my silent. Me have to share it with you know. You see how long I don't answer, I don't say nothing, I just hold my mouth. And today when me come and talk, everybody I come out from underneath them nest and everything just start revealed to me and I realize that 1 + 1 = 2. Go in on my phone and show you something because I don't understand what I go on. I tell you, say this is a spiritual warfare. I don't believe me. I go show you something. Hold on. I'm soon reach home, so hold on a little bit. Let me go for that screenshot, yeah. Hold on. I'm gonna let you the man through the gate. Hold on. Make I show you something. Hold on the 1 second. Next phone. Me just reach home. Soon when I go through the security gate, yeah. Me soon reach home. Me have to get the next phone because today me have to show you something. Because me have to talk about Jesus. Me have to talk about Jesus today. Okay, she said Spice Official stats pin. Me like oh you said this. Me like oh you said this. I say one thing me like say my bestie them bright. Me have some bestie we go to school. Me not have no dunce bestie. Look power my bestie type. My bestie say, why they not mad at each other? Why they not mad at each other? Everybody, all of them have something to say about me. Nobody have nothing to say about each other. Somebody send me something a while ago, say Lala write what epistle, me never blood clot look pan him because I'll know him to write an epistle about all the fucking night go when you're going to the girl room. I'll know you don't write nothing about it. Jesus, come here if you're not busy. Mighty God, me dead for come out of the carrier. Spice QOD, so we're doing streaming after the Queen live. When you click on the link in our bio, Spice QOD. Make sure you follow my best of them. Follow Spice Official, that's stats. Follow Spice QOD. Them are official people. Them are people that know what time it is. Me see me reach out of the carrier. Just hold on a little bit. Stop right here, so stop right here. So go on. Me never show them blood clot, please. It's okay. I don't must feel like say. Can you use the other garage, please? The next one. Thank you. Me reach home. Hold on. I go for my next phone. I think the screenshot did another phone, yeah? I want to show you today me talk about Jesus. I not talk about dirty people today. Today I want to show you something. Me say, God start reveal people to me. The woman text me by mistake. She delete some of the voice note them. I don't know if she realize it's a mistake. But me make sure save it. Hold on a little bit. I shouldn't even say that before me go for your next phone because she would have gone delete it, but me done did screenshot it to the phone already. Thank you so much. You have a good night, okay?
Yeah, you too.
Is my other shoes? Oh no. Hold on, then me reach home. I go for my phone. Because I go show you say, and the devil me pray to him, he's not a devil worshipper. Me is not a devil worshipper, so hold on there. I got me worship, so I'm going to show you something. What about my boss? Nice, clean sun outside and bright. So I can never turn on the light. Jesus. My other phone. Pass it for me, they do. Got my shoes in my house. I come in with the piece of dirty shoes. Hold on there. Show you something because I don't understand. We don't really understand why I'm going out the road. I'm showing you something. Baby, something. Look pan blood clot this. Eh? You like it? I may have too much phone. How the password you go? How the password for my next phone, Nicholas? Okay, hold on, sit here. Hold on a little bit, sit here. Alright, so man delete the device note them know, but guess what? Hold on. So for you who just come on the live, may I try to tell you no say, me worship a miracle working God. My God, when me worship him name Jesus. You never understand. And me have my phone. Remember, you know, me a girl, me a ram for go down in a prayer and worship, you know. So when me a pray, and the whole heap of confusion, me never listen to the nice, because I know say me serve a God. Yo, me then I want revelation right now where God just reveal everything to me and everybody and every people and all us just a tumble down. All people come out, come talk. People, God confuse them. God make the enemy them all text my phone and think them a text the enemy. The girl thinks she text RT, and when you look at me, she text and chat me. Try showing about me God when me worship, say me God no play about me and you don't understand. See me reach on my yard and get my next phone. Watch this. Flip the camera and show you something. Hold on. This a girl, this is her number. Make sure you can see it. Clean out the camera screen. See her here. She text me from Sunday. Look, see her number there? Her name come up as Swan. Look now, what the girl say? Look what the girl say. Because I don't feel like say my Jesus as some look dibby idiot boy. That's how I feel like say. I can't play with God. What the girl say? Hello, may I give you some tea and spice. So I realize now, say the girl text me by mistake. I make sure I get her number and we are England today, you know. This is sitting here, this a number you come from. We are England, you know. Girl named Swan, you know. Me text her back and me say, give it to me. Here are. Here are. Never play her life. She start delete her something. Here are. Watch her text my phone. Dirty Spice say, she a get to you next. Jesus! Look here! The girl text me and I don't say me, she text. Look! She don't know me now. Oh, she get me number. God all a blood clot confuse them. It come like that. It come like the girl ask somebody for the man, the enemy number, and God make she get my Yo! No father take me crazy. You never see it. You never understand when me I try to tell you now. The girl asks for the enemy number. Oh God, make she get my number. And the girl text me and chat me. I don't want to tell me about my God. Oh my God, I don't want to talk about. Hold on a little bit. Oh my God, I want to talk about. Because you want to talk about my God. You can chat me. Story, my mom. the voice note them. She delete some of the voice note them and I talk about. Me have to be careful because I'm a job. See the girl that chat me. You blood clot swan. See her? See her number there? Swan! Let me make sure I flip the camera and show her. I want to get the number, right? Swan, I don't know you. But today somebody gonna send you this video. When them send you this video, my name is Grace Hamilton. And you see my name? You don't play about me, I'm chosen by God. You see what they hear me nearly dead and people are laugh? Them never understand when me go through. Me is a two life me have. Cause God not ready for me yet. You know what it means to be chosen by God? If you don't know, look it up. I am chosen by God. My spirit is not a normal spirit. That's why the enemy wants it. Because me have a strong spirit. So Swan, welcome to me, Grace Hamilton. Them call me Gracie. I don't know who give you my number. But God make you text me because I need to get a message. Say I saw the whole of a plot up and a scheme up to come up against me. Because when you see black woman a succeed and it a bono and I don't like it. I get a galia. I get a galia where you say never gonna reach the way. You never understand, say. When we go down on my knee. And I say, God, I start to use back God's word for him. God can't play with me now because I know my Bible. You know, when I say, God, member say, you say. God, member say, you promise me, say. Hey, yeah. If you don't know, you don't know. All who are plot up against me, if you don't know what I know about Jesus Christ from Nazareth, you would have leave me alone. But because you don't know about my God, because you don't know when me walk up and down in this house and chant out, you would have leave me alone. But you don't know, so me just pray and say, God,